Welcome back to the AGF channel. Today, we're making a charming cottage-core inspired ruffle pillow using our latest fabric collection, Cottage Grove by AGF Studio. This cozy ruffle pillow showcases the Wool Wonders panel, featuring whimsical farm animals frolicking through vibrant floral fields. And for a perfect pairing, we're using Checkered Charm Sprout, adding that perfect cottage look. Materials, fabric requirements, and measurements for this 20 by 20 pillow are available below in the video's description. Let's get started. The Wool Wonders panel has the perfect variety of cottage-core inspired prints, giving you so many choices to choose from for endless project ideas. Take the front of the pillow piece and play around with the colors and print pieces from the panel for your unique patchwork combination. Place your patchwork about 2.5 inches away from the edges. Pin in place and choose a decorative stitch on your sewing machine or hand stitch your chosen pieces. Take a back piece and fold 1/2 inch on one edge with the help of an iron. Fold another 1/2 inch and place clips to hold. Repeat with the other back piece. Top stitch the hem down on both pieces. With the folded edge on the bottom, take one back piece and fold in half to make a crease. Take the handmade piece from our Wool Wonders panel and fold in half to make a crease. Match both creases, pin in place, and sew with a decorative stitch on your sewing machine or hand stitch. For a fuller ruffle, we are using 4 strips of 6 inches by the width of fabric. Sew all 4 strips together to form a loop. Iron the strip loop in half all along its length. To make the ruffle, sew 2 basting stitch lines away from the edge, all along the strip's length. Pull on the 2 top threads slowly to gather the ruffles. To avoid breaking any threads, take your time gathering and enjoy the process. For easier gathering of the ruffles, lower your machine's tension to a low number and increase your stitch length to the highest number your machine allows, leaving long strands of thread at the beginning and at the end of the stitch lines. Take the pillow top we made earlier and shape the ruffles along the edges of the pillow top, spreading the ruffles to form the shape of the pillow. Place the back piece with the handmade patchwork detail at the top, right side facing down. With the hemline at the top, place the second back piece at the bottom, right side facing down. Place clips all around, making sure all 3 layers are secure for sewing. Sew all around with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Backstitching at the back piece fold line to reinforce the seam. Clip the 4 corners of the pillow, careful not to cut any stitching lines. And turn pillowcase right side out. Place a pillow insert and we are all finished. This cozy cottage-core inspired pillow is ready to add a touch of handmade wonder and rustic cottage vibes to any space. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the AGF channel for more project inspirations. Until next time, happy sewing!